Welcome to this video about OCI Network Firewall. Today, we will explore two core components, applications and services. These elements are the building blocks of the firewall policy and help control the traffic based on the application behavior and network protocols. Let's cover application in OCI Network Firewall. The key idea is layer 7 inspection. Instead of just looking at the port numbers, the firewall analyzes the actual traffic content. This helps identifying applications even when they are using non-standard ports or share ports with other applications. Right now, OCI Network Firewall supports ICMP and ICMP v6 applications with plans to add more types. These are defined by a name, protocol, and ICMP type and code. So why not just ports? Even with ICMP and ICMP v6, different types of messages need different security. Now, let's move on to services. Services define network protocols or application through the layer 4 port that it's used. In simple words, they define how applications communicate on the network at lower level. Each service includes a unique name, the protocol, TCP or UDP, and the ports used by the application. Each service can have up to 10 ranges of ports. This is important for applications that use many ports, like some multimedia protocols. Notice that we can define a range of ports, not just one single port. This gives us more flexibility. By defining the protocol and ports used, we can use the service in our security policies. Applications and services are the building blocks for OCI network firewall policies. They help to have precise and granular control over your network traffic. By understanding how these elements work, you will be well prepared to create cloud networks that are secure, scalable, and easy to manage. With this security principle in mind, thank you for watching and happy secure networking.